I'm Tyler Simmons. I'm from Northwestern Nova Scotia, the largest all-black community in Canada. I am a second-year student in the education program at the Mount. I am an assistant volleyball coach here at the Mount and an assistant men's soccer team coach as well.
Hi, my name's Tia Tower. I am a fourth-year chemistry student here at Mount St. Vincent. I also work in the student recruitment office.
Hi, I'm Jessie Jollymore. I graduated from Mount St. Vincent in 1999 with a Bachelor in Applied Human Nutrition, and I've been fortunate enough to receive an honorary degree in 2021 from the Mount.
I chose MSVU because it always had a special place in my heart. My mom came here for her business degree, my sister came here for her psychology degree, so it's always just been special in my heart. I think what makes MSVU so special is that everyone on campus wants all students and everyone else to do well and feel safe and feel heard and be who they are. I think that really creates a safe and welcoming and acceptable environment for everyone.
The Mount has offered me a lot of different opportunities. Simply getting into the education program wasn't something I was thinking about before I came into school. Getting to go to the school here and meet some of the athletic directors who really helped me push to become a teacher, and I think that if I didn't go to the Mount, I wouldn't be doing this dream right now.
The warm reception I got at the Mount, the encouragement I got for being a mature student and being a single mom from the Mount made me really believe that I could do it. And I saw in the Mount a place that met me where I was at with my needs at that time and said, like, we can work with you, Jessie. We can make this happen and you can do it. You know, your age is not a factor in this. Being a single mom is not going to be a barrier to getting your education. And I thrived at the Mount. I've had so much support at the Mount. I have been an advocate, since graduating, taking dietetic interns every single year. That the Mount to me was a place that provided an environment where I could thrive, where I was successful, and where I was able to feel like I was making a contribution as well.
So I just want to thank Joël for everything that she's done and what she brings to our campus. I really admire who she is as the queer president of MSVU. I think she's very inspiring for those students who's on campus and everyone else beyond.
This school's a huge community. It's a big family, and getting everyone involved is so important. I remember when I was in my undergrad and I had Dr. Ramona Lumpkin, and she showed up to every single game, and you could see her in the hallways, and it just felt she made it feel like even more of a big family. And I've seen Dr. Dickinson on Twitter, and I know that she has the exact personality that is perfect for the Mount. So just continue to make this a big family.
Our motto here at Hope Blooms is, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. And for me, it was so true in meeting you. I expected that it was going to be a very formal visit, and when you showed up with your accepting, vibrant, very funny manner, and were so wonderful to each and every one of us, I can only say that you changed the way that I see presidency at Mount St. Vincent University, which is meeting people where they're at, non-judgmental, very embracing of all diverse environments. You have such a great sense of humor, and you seem to love my Cape Breton humor. So all I can say is 2 thumbs up from me, and keep doing what you're doing. I love it.